Well-being is not something to chase. It is not a destination to arrive at after endless effort or achievement. In Japan, well-being is designed subtly, deliberately, and with intention. It emerges from the way life is approached, from the quiet philosophies embedded in daily living. It is cultivated through habits and mindsets that focus on presence, clarity, acceptance, and connection. These principles are simple yet powerful. They offer a framework for living that supports mental calm, emotional balance, and lasting fulfillment. In this exploration, we will examine 7 of the most influential Japanese habits and mindsets for well-being. Each is a distinct approach to life, yet together they form a comprehensive philosophy for living with clarity, peace, and purpose. Habit 1. Ichigo Ichi. Treating each moment as unrepeatable. Ichigo Ichi is the recognition that each moment is unique, unrepeatable, and valuable. Every interaction, every experience, and every ordinary event occurs only once, in its own time, with its own circumstances. This awareness fosters deep presence. It encourages the mind to fully engage with what is happening now, rather than becoming distracted by regrets from the past or anxieties about the future. By treating each moment as singular and precious, individuals cultivate a heightened sensitivity to life's subtleties. They notice details that would otherwise be overlooked, from the light falling across a room to the tone of a conversation. The practice of Ichigo Ichi enhances gratitude, focus, and emotional balance, allowing well-being to flourish through mindful engagement with the present. This mindset encourages a deep appreciation for simplicity. A quiet cup of tea, a brief conversation, a short walk outside all are acknowledged as irreplaceable opportunities. In this way, Ichigo Ichi nurtures mental clarity, reduces stress, and strengthens the connection between conscious awareness and daily living. Habit 2. Danshari. Letting go to breathe again. Danshari is a philosophy of intentional release. It is rooted in the principle that well-being emerges when unnecessary burdens, both physical and mental, are removed. The practice encourages individuals to refuse what does not serve them, discard what has become obsolete, and detach from lingering emotional weight. Through this process, life becomes lighter, calmer, and more deliberate. Clutter, in both its material and psychological forms, consumes energy. Unnecessary possessions, unresolved commitments, and repetitive worries require constant mental processing. Danshari recognizes that removing these sources of strain allows attention, energy, and creativity to be redirected toward meaningful experiences. In Japanese culture, this principle is often reflected in the simplicity of home design, the careful selection of possessions, and the cultivation of order in daily life. By practicing Danshari, individuals create space not only physically but emotionally and cognitively. That space fosters reflection, relaxation, and clarity. It allows for a deeper engagement with essential activities and relationships. It also encourages acceptance of impermanence, as the act of letting go acknowledges that nothing is permanent and that attachment to excess can limit well-being. In daily life, the effects of Danshari are cumulative. Small acts of release, letting go of unnecessary items, declining non-essential obligations, or reducing mental clutter compound over time, producing a sustained sense of freedom and inner calm. Danshari is not about deprivation. It is about alignment with purpose, presence, and intentional living, allowing well-being to grow naturally and quietly. Habit 3. Ma. The power of pause. Ma refers to the intentional space between things. It is the acknowledgement that silence, gaps, and pauses are not empty, but essential. These intervals provide room for reflection, for rest, and for the mind to process experience without distraction. In Japanese culture, Ma is present in architecture, music, and social interaction, and it cultivates a rhythm of life that balances activity with stillness. The practice of Ma allows individuals to slow down and regain equilibrium. It mitigates stress, prevents overwhelm, and enhances mental clarity. By embracing pauses, one creates a natural rhythm that respects the mind's need for processing and the body's need for rest. Ma demonstrates that well-being is not solely the result of action, but also of intentional stillness and awareness of space. Incorporating Ma into daily life supports focus, emotional stability, and an increased capacity for appreciation. Life gains a sense of flow when the mind is not constantly filled, when moments of silence are valued as opportunities for renewal. Ma is a gentle reminder that presence is nurtured not only through doing, but through pausing. Habit 4. Kaizen. Improvement without pressure. Kaizen is the principle of continuous, incremental improvement. It emphasizes steady, manageable enhancements rather than sudden, overwhelming change. In Japan, Kaizen is applied in workplaces, personal development, and daily life, demonstrating that growth is most sustainable when approached with patience and consistency. This mindset reduces anxiety and burnout by reframing progress as gradual rather than immediate. Each small improvement accumulates over time, resulting in significant transformation without the pressure of perfection. Kaizen teaches that the journey toward well-being is built on consistent effort, mindfulness, and attention to small details, rather than dramatic leaps or unrealistic expectations. Kaizen also reinforces self-compassion. By valuing incremental progress, it encourages individuals to honor what has been accomplished, while gently guiding future action. The approach fosters resilience, adaptability, and a sustained sense of competence, all of which are essential for long-term well-being. Habit 5. Ikigai. A reason to wake up. Ikigai is the guiding compass of life, a deeply personal sense of purpose that gives meaning to each day. It exists at the intersection of what you love, what you are skilled at, what the world needs, and what can sustain you. Unlike fleeting motivation or short-term goals, Ikigai provides long-term coherence in life. It is not necessarily tied to career or public recognition. Rather, it is often found in small, meaningful acts, the routines that quietly shape existence. In Japan, Ikigai might be expressed through tending a garden, preparing a daily meal with care, engaging in a craft, or contributing to a community. These acts are not monumental in scale, but they carry profound significance. Through Ikigai, routine and responsibility transform into purposeful participation. Even ordinary actions gain depth, because they are performed with awareness of their value to oneself and others. The presence of Ikigai nurtures motivation without external pressure. It provides structure and focus, offering a reason to rise each morning and engage fully with life. Individuals with Ikigai demonstrate resilience in the face of challenges because their actions are anchored in meaning. Emotional fulfillment, longevity, and satisfaction are natural byproducts of living in alignment with this internal compass. Ikigai also fosters a deeper connection with time. Each day becomes a canvas for contribution, reflection, and growth. Life is experienced as intentional and coherent, rather than fragmented or reactive. By embracing Ikigai, individuals cultivate balance between personal desire and social responsibility, between action and reflection, ultimately supporting holistic well-being at every level. Habit 6. Wabi-sabi. Making peace with imperfection. Wabi-sabi is a philosophy that celebrates imperfection, impermanence, and incompleteness. It is a recognition that life, in its natural progression, is transient, flawed, and imperfect, and that beauty and value can be found precisely within that reality. Wabi-sabi encourages a shift away from relentless pursuit of perfection and toward authentic acceptance, allowing individuals to experience peace and contentment without comparison or pretense. This mindset cultivates patience and self-compassion, teaching that flaws are natural and worthy of acknowledgement rather than correction. Aging, decay, and the subtle irregularities of life are embraced rather than resisted. By integrating wabi-sabi into perception and behavior, people develop a deep sense of ease as they no longer measure their worth against impossible ideals. Wabi-sabi informs aesthetics, daily choices, and thought patterns. It encourages simplicity, mindfulness, and clarity by removing the pressure to polish, perfect, or control everything. Emotional stability is strengthened because the mind learns to accept reality as it is, and value is recognized in authenticity rather than superficial refinement. Growth, creativity, and resilience flourish when imperfection is acknowledged as an essential part of life. By internalizing wabi-sabi, individuals can navigate challenges with greater calm and maintain emotional balance even when outcomes are uncertain. It is a reminder that wholeness does not require flawlessness, and that life gains richness and texture through its natural, unpolished form. Habit 7. Mori. Returning to nature. Mori, or forest immersion, emphasizes the fundamental connection between humans and the natural world. It is the practice of deliberately spending time in forests, gardens, or green spaces, engaging the senses fully, and aligning with the rhythms of nature. Mori is not merely recreational. It is a holistic approach to mental, emotional, and physical well-being, recognizing that human health is inseparable from the environment. Immersion in nature activates the senses in ways modern life rarely permits. Observing the sway of leaves, listening to birdsong, feeling the texture of bark, or inhaling forest air engages attention, calms the nervous system, and promotes relaxation. Scientific research supports these effects. Exposure to green spaces lowers stress hormones, reduces blood pressure, improves concentration, and enhances overall emotional equilibrium. Mori also encourages slowing down and aligning personal rhythms with natural cycles. By moving at a pace attuned to the environment, individuals cultivate mindfulness, resilience, and vitality. The experience fosters reflection, grounding, and an appreciation for life's subtle patterns. Even short or frequent interactions with natural spaces can accumulate into a lasting sense of balance and clarity. Returning to nature is a reminder of interconnectedness, teaching that humans are part of a larger system. This perspective supports humility, gratitude, and emotional stability. Mori illustrates that well-being is not solely cultivated internally. It thrives when humans engage meaningfully with the world around them, recognizing that connection to the environment nurtures the mind, body, and spirit. Well-being is not achieved through force, accumulation, or perfection. In Japanese culture, it is cultivated through presence, space, reflection, intentional improvement, purpose, acceptance, and connection with nature. By incorporating these 7 habits, Ichigo, Ichi, Danshari, Ma, Kaizen, Ikigai, Wabi-sabi, and Mori, individuals create conditions in which calm, clarity, and fulfillment can naturally emerge. Even adopting one of these principles consistently can have a transformative effect on life. Together, they provide a sustainable, holistic framework for living with balance, awareness, and peace. To begin integrating these habits, observe your daily routines. Notice where presence and release are missing, and allow small, intentional shifts to guide your experience. If this exploration has inspired reflection or intention, like this video, subscribe for more insights into mindful living and practical philosophies, and share in the comments which habit resonates most with you. Because well-being is not a goal to chase, it is a life to design, one mindful choice at a time.